Story for the strange sounds. Sarah lived in an apartment building and often heard strange noises coming from her neighbor's apartment late at night. At first, she brushed it off as her neighbor being noisy, but the sounds became more disturbing over time: muffled screams, banging, and strange chanting. One night, Sarah heard a particularly loud scream and decided to call the police. When they arrived and investigated, they discovered a hidden room behind a false wall in the neighbor's apartment. Inside, they found evidence that the neighbor had been torturing people for years, using the soundproofing in the walls to conceal their screams.